5-in-1 electric hair dryer styling tool, airbrush, multifunctional hair straightener, negative ion curler, blow dryer styling set. The 5-in-1 electric hair dryer styling tool is a great way to achieve salon quality hair at home. With its 5 different styling tools, you can straighten, curl, volumize, and dry your hair all in one place. The hair dryer features a powerful motor that delivers fast, even heat, and the ion technology helps to reduce frizz and flyaways. The airbrush attachment is perfect for creating voluminous blowouts, while the curling iron and straightener help you achieve your desired curls and styles. The 5-in-1 electric hair dryer styling tool is easy to use.